You'll never throw away an orange peel again. Grab a few oranges. Their peel has valuable properties. Orange peels contain natural oils used in various products. Peel the oranges and save the skins. Next, take a medium-sized jar and place the peels inside. The next key ingredient is vinegar, which has natural properties. Pour enough vinegar to fully cover the peels and seal the jar tightly. Store the jar in a dark place for 2 weeks. Over time, the mixture will blend perfectly, leaving a pleasant citrus scent. After that, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and you're ready to use it. This natural mixture is antibacterial and perfect for cleaning surfaces like windows and shower doors, leaving them shiny and streak-free without any harsh chemicals.